Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda if you're new here, and in today's video we are going to be doing something really fun, really kind of crazy, and I actually brought a special guest with me. I was on Facebook yesterday and I happened to go by this video. The video was by a girl named Mule. I'll tag her down below just so I don't get it wrong. But she was reviewing an automated electronic hair detangler. So that's what we're gonna be trying out today. Whew, I'm a little bit nervous about this. This is the Remington Tame the Mane electric detangling brush. So it says, makes detangling easy and fast for use on wet or dry hair. Battery operated, no tears, no tangles, no tantrums. And I don't know, because I have a tantrum every time I detangle my hair. So we're gonna be trying this out, and I also brought my friend. Her name is Imara, and she has a little bit tighter of a texture than I have. Her hair is about a 3C4A combination. So we're gonna try it wet and dry and see if this actually works. This was about $20 on Amazon, so if it works, let's just see. So here is what the tool actually looks like. It has these very interesting looking plastic teeth on it, and when you actually turn the tool on, these teeth vibrate back and forth. So this is what's going to be working through your hair and working through all those knots. So this is my really good friend Imara. She was kind enough to come over and help me test out this thing.
Interesting.
Imara, tell us a little bit about your hair.
I definitely have like a mixed texture of hair. Pretty tightly coils, but still like also like really soft, and this is like what it kind of looks like when I do a braid out. That's like it's like a little wet, but it's like a braid out look. So
yeah, it looks good. So is your hair a little bit knotted? Is it naughty?
Yeah, it's a little naughty.
A little naughty today? Okay, so we are gonna use this thing on it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do with Imara's hair, it's a little bit damp. Oh, wow, I've never got in it like this.
Oh my
gosh, it feels so good. Wow.
So extra.
So soft. So let's see how this tool works. Are you ready?
I hope so.
Maybe we should drink first.
I know.
Cheers. Cheers.
Do the back, because I don't want like you to, I don't know if this thing is gonna like grab my hair.
Yeah, like a bald spot.
Like right, not on my edges.
Okay. Wait, is this literally working?
Yeah, it kind of is.
Okay, we're coming to the bottom.
Pretty good.
Wow.
This is like actually working though.
What the fuck you guys do? Definitely sounded different. It literally sounds like vibrations, and then you just hear like, wow, it actually works.
First impression, that actually did work. Did you feel anything? Like, was I pulling on you?
No real tugs or anything. So
no. The only thing I would say is that when I watched the other girl do it, she had very fine, pretty straight, so I was really skeptical. I was really skeptical about this. Ooh, these are so pretty.
And you guys know I really stressed her to let her play in my hair like this with this.
Oh no, we spoke too soon. Since this is the bottom and it seems a little bit more tangled,
you probably should work it like a normal comb.
Let's do a smaller section. Oh.
This is like pretty.
That actually worked though.
Yeah.
Just needed a smaller section. Wow. Oh my god, it smells so good. This last piece.
Oh, feeling a little tug.
Feeling a little tug. We're going slower, but it's not giving up.
Yeah.
It's going. Alright, let's
like
see if it's gonna... Oh. Oh. Just a little bundle, but that was gonna come out anyway. Okay, that wasn't my tool. It did fine here. And then once we got to the bottom, which was a little bit thicker, had a little bit more curl in it, it took a little bit longer, but it did the job on its own. I wasn't really pulling it too hard, like it really used its own teeth to detangle. That was very impressive, actually.
Cheers.
Cheers. We did good. We didn't pull out all of Mara's hair, just a little bit. So now we're gonna try it on mine. Mine is pretty tangled. I haven't really kept up with it for a little while. We are gonna do half of my hair dry like we did Imara's, and then we're gonna do half of my hair wet and see what happens. All right, so I don't know.
Oh gosh.
I feel not good about this. I actually didn't have it like in a wash and go this week. I just kind of put it in a bun after I showered, so it shouldn't be that bad.
I'm gonna do front. You must be tender-headed. You must be.
Maybe we have to do like a smaller section.
Yeah.
Ow. Ow.
Oh my gosh.
What's going on over there? Is it working?
Slowly.
Okay.
Very slowly.
Very, very slowly.
Like, see, that's the part I should have got. I mean, it still works pretty good with your hair being as not combed.
Shade.
This will like really show how long it takes to get through a true knot. We're almost to the bottom.
Huh.
So like this is like a real, you see that?
Oh yeah.
I think that's why it's taking me a while.
One eternity later.
You probably should work it like a comb and start like at the bottom,
okay.
you know, like you normally do. Start at your ends and work your way up from there.
Oh, we got it.
Much later.
I would never really recommend to detangle your hair while it is dry, so that is another thing that I would point out. This is not something I would normally do. This is gonna take me way more time than if my hair was soaking wet with some conditioner or detangler in it. This was kind of purely for more entertainment purposes and seeing how it actually is gonna work, but I would not recommend detangling your hair while it's dry. It's just more prone to breakage, doesn't have that water or that conditioner to give it that slip. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this side, and then I'm gonna come back and put this to the test. All right, I am back. This side is fully soaking wet. I added a little bit of conditioner just to keep it moisturized, and I'm excited to see how this is gonna work. So this side is completely detangled. It took a fraction of the time. Wet hair is definitely the way to go on this. It went so fast, So easy. You could actually just see this tool working its way through the knot. I'm gonna show you guys the amount that I lost from the wet side. I would say the fallout between both sides is almost identical. The wet side had a little bit less than the dry side, but overall this isn't even half of the amount of hair I would normally lose in the shower, so that is very impressive. So overall, I would say that this is a very cool tool. I think it did an extremely good job at detangling my hair. Definitely worked out better when wet with a little bit of conditioner. I want to do a little giveaway with you guys. I don't think I've ever done a giveaway on my YouTube channel. So we're gonna make this really simple and easy. All you have to do is comment down below with your Instagram name and your curl type or hair type, and the winners will be chosen, and I'll contact you guys directly on Instagram. You just have to make sure you're following this channel, Amanda RR Walker, and my Instagram channel, Amanda RR Walker as well. And that's it. I'm gonna be choosing 3 winners, and I'm gonna purchase these myself off of Amazon and send them to you guys. Now don't forget to check the description box to see when the giveaway will end and how long it will last. I just wanted to do something kind of fun and give back to you guys, and this is a really cool tool. It's worth trying, it's worth checking out. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one.